Hey, I'm Erica with WTI. Are you looking for cute, modern shelving for your home? Then look no further than these shelves from AMADA Home Furnishing.
I love the mix of the natural wood and the matte black metal. It's such a timeless look that can go with any decor. And this shelf is actually real wood, so that's real nice stained wood. And as you can see, it has little keyholes in the back for the screws, so hanging this was a really easy job. I also love this little railing detail on the front ledge, so I don't have to worry about my glass items falling off and breaking. It keeps everything nice and secure. The optional towel bar was the perfect addition for my bathroom because it saved me from having to buy a separate towel holder for my hand towels, and it just looks great.
So not only are these AMADA shelves a great addition to our bathroom, but they're so versatile you could use them in almost any room in the house. You can't go wrong with these shelves and you'll be so happy you purchased them. And that's my point of view.